everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you oven roasted chicken thigh. Very tasty and very juicy. Please try it and you're going to like it. But today's video will be countertop oven. So let's get started. These are frozen chicken thighs. The spices from masala dabba marinate with homemade dahi. What I have done with the chicken thighs, as you seen, they were frozen. I put it into cold water once there is no more ice, and I drain the water. And now we're going to marinate the chicken thighs. Get a mixing bowl. First we're going to bring homemade dahi, salt, red chili flakes, cumin powder, coriander powder, and this is strictly optional. Food color, then parsley flake. I'm using red chili flake. You can use black pepper if you don't like red chili flake. So mix it well. So we're going to combine it well. So as you see, this is what happens with the food color. You don't need to add too much. It's just a very little amount, like a pinch. I always list my ingredient list under the description, so please check it out. Once it's nicely combined, I'll add chicken thighs. With the help of fork, I'll mix it well. This is going to be our marination. And it's always a good idea. When you marinate the chicken, the longer is always the best. But I would suggest marinate for 2 hours. So I'm going to cover it and we're going to marinate for 2 hours. Please put it in the fridge. So today's recipe, as I mentioned, that it will be the countertop oven. Many people has requested whenever I make chicken recipes and I show these recipes in these ovens, and oven roasted chicken, you can use any of these trays, and many people requested that we don't have these ovens, then how we can make the same delicious chicken. And you have other alternative. If you don't have the big wall ovens, then you can use countertop oven. Also very easy and convenient to use, and you plug it into outlet. You can have a different kind of countertop ovens. I'm using right now this oven, and if I open it, most likely you're going to have these kind of trays. This is the tray, I use it in my other countertop oven. This tray is right here under the grill. So as you've seen, whenever I cook, chicken is moist, tender, juicy. Whoever eats it, they'll fall in love with it. Even though it's a countertop oven, I'll be cooking the same process. So what I will do, you can fill up with the jug, but since my sink is closed up, and we're going to fill this tray. Once tray is filled up, as you see, the tray is half filled. I'll push this one on the back. Once the tray is pushed back, so we're going to close it, and the first thing we're going to preheat the oven. It has a multiple settings, but I will be selecting turbo convection, and this is the default 350 degree Fahrenheit, and we will bring the temperature up to 450 degree Fahrenheit. So I'll start it, and this will preheat at 450 degree Fahrenheit. It's always a good idea to expedite the preheat process. Put the hot water. If you haven't tried this way, please try it. It's not only for chicken, any meat, poultry, pork, fish, beef, I mean, name it, any type of a meat. Whenever you're cooking in the oven, it tends to give you a dry meat. And if you want really juicy, tender, then try it this way. The chicken has been marinated for 2 hours. We're going to mix it one more time. I'm going to open it and I'll place the chicken. So be careful when you put the chicken, it's steaming hot. Just place it like this. Just be careful, don't burn yourself. So once we place the chicken, close it, Now we're going to cook the chicken thighs, and once we'll see they started to change the color, then we're going to flip them over. As you see, the chicken thighs are nicely cooked on the top. So what I'm going to do, I'll open it, and real quickly I'm going to turn these over. And if you notice that all the fat is going to flow into the water, the chicken thighs are looking really good. Close it again, and we're going to cook until it's fully cooked on this side. Chicken thighs are nicely done. I'm going to turn it off, and I'll open it. I got my serving plate ready, and look at this delicious chicken thighs. Let me share with you. And if you look at the water, all the fat is drained into the water and get collected, and also it will be very easy to clean the pan. So let me share with you. As you see, chicken thighs made in countertop oven. They are not dried, they are very juicy, and please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.